Ever had a night where sleep seems to elude you no matter how exhausted you are? It's a common scenario, one that many of us have faced at some point or another. Tossing and turning, counting sheep, trying to will yourself into the land of dreams, but to no avail. This struggle is all too real. Sleep is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the time when our bodies rest, rejuvenate, and prepare for the next day. It's a key element in maintaining good health and well-being. But what if the sweet embrace of sleep is just not coming your way? Allow us to introduce you to a simple yet effective solution. A solution that lies not in expensive pills or rigorous routines, but in your kitchen. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about 7 top drinks that can help whisk you off to dreamland in no time. So, are you ready to say goodbye to those sleepless nights? Stay tuned as we unveil these magical sleep-inducing elixirs. Starting off our list is a classic favorite, chamomile tea. This soothing herbal tea has been a popular sleep aid for countless generations. Packed with antioxidants, it's known for its calming effects. Chamomile tea contains apigenin, a compound that binds to certain receptors in your brain, helping to reduce anxiety and initiate sleep. It's like a gentle lullaby for your nervous system, coaxing you into a night of restful slumber. Moving on to our second drink, we have warm milk. This comforting beverage is more than just a childhood bedtime tradition. It's rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that your body converts into serotonin and then melatonin. These are essential hormones that regulate your sleep cycle, so a warm glass of milk before bed can actually help you drift off into dreamland. These 2 traditional remedies have been used for centuries and are proven to help induce sleep. Next on our list is almond milk. Almond milk, a rich source of sleep-regulating hormone melatonin and mineral magnesium, is a wonderful sleep-inducing drink. The presence of magnesium supports deep restorative sleep by maintaining healthy levels of GABA, a neurotransmitter that promotes sleep. Now imagine sipping on a warm glass of almond milk before bed, feeling the day's stress melt away as you prepare for a night of deep sleep. Moving on to our fourth drink, we have valerian tea. This herbal drink has been used for centuries as a natural remedy to treat insomnia. Valerian tea contains several compounds that promote sleep and reduce anxiety, including valerianic acid and isovaleric acid. Drinking a cup of this calming tea before bed can help you fall asleep faster and improve the quality of your sleep. These soothing drinks not only help you sleep but also provide essential nutrients. You'll wake up refreshed, recharged, and ready to take on the day. Coming to the end of our list, we have tart cherry juice, passion flower tea, and peppermint tea. Tart cherry juice is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help your body relax and drift off into a peaceful sleep. Next up is passion flower tea. It's not just the soothing warmth of this tea that lulls you to sleep, but also the flavonoids present in it that have been found to reduce insomnia and anxiety. Just a cup of this calming tea before bed can help you achieve a more restful night's sleep. Lastly, we have peppermint tea. This refreshing drink is not just for soothing a troubled stomach, it also promotes better sleep. The menthol present in peppermint acts as a muscle relaxant, helping you to unwind after a long day. Remember, a good night's sleep is essential for your overall health, and these drinks can be a great aid. Sweet dreams.